Today, we're going on an incredible journey. We're going to follow a tiny but mighty hero that works inside our bodies. And that hero is vitamin A. You know how people are always saying carrots are good for your eyes? Ever wondered if that's really true? Well, today, we're going to dig into the science behind it, but in a super simple way. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, first things first, let's meet our hero molecule. Now, vitamin A isn't just one single thing. It actually comes in a couple of different flavors, you could say, depending on where you get it from. Think of it like this. On one side, you've got the ready-made stuff. That's called retinol, and you get it from animal foods. Your body can use this one right out of the box. But on the other side, you've got the DIY kit from plants, like beta-carotene. It's kind of like getting furniture from IKEA. Your body has to do a little bit of assembly first before it can actually use it. Okay, so you've just eaten something with vitamin A in it. Now what? Well, our little hero molecule is about to go on a pretty wild ride inside your body. So check out this journey. It doesn't matter if it's the ready-made or DIY kind. It all starts by getting absorbed in your gut. Now, for the plant-based stuff, the real magic is in step 3. Your body has these clever little workers that convert it into the form it needs. After that, it's all sent to your liver. Your liver is like this amazing storage warehouse. Seriously, it can hold onto a supply of vitamin A for months, just waiting to send it out whenever your body needs it. Okay, so vitamin A is stored and ready to go. What's its first big mission? Well, let's talk about its most famous job, helping you see. Yep, this is exactly where that whole carrot story comes from. The key player here is a molecule called rhodopsin. Inside your eyes, vitamin A teams up with a protein, and boom, they make rhodopsin. The best way to think about rhodopsin is like millions of tiny little light switches in your eyes. When light comes in and hits them, they flip on and send a signal straight to your brain. That signal is what we call seeing. But here's the catch. If you don't have enough vitamin A, you just can't make enough of these switches. So what happens if you're short on those light switches? Well, the very first thing you'd notice is that it gets really hard to see when the lights are dim. This is exactly why the earliest sign of not having enough vitamin A is struggling to see at night. We call it night blindness. And this leads to a really cool piece of history. During World War II, the British military had this new secret weapon, radar. To hide it, they started this rumor. They told everyone that their pilots had amazing night vision because they ate a ton of carrots. Now, it's true that the vitamin A in carrots helps your vision, but this story was a huge exaggeration. It was the perfect cover to keep their new tech a secret. But wait, there's more. Vitamin A's job doesn't just stop with your eyes. Not at all. This little hero is super talented and has a bunch of other really important jobs all over your body. So think of vitamin A as a key commander for your body's security guards, your immune system. It's in charge of making sure your white blood cells, which are basically your frontline soldiers against germs, are ready for action. Having enough vitamin A helps keep your defenses strong so you can fight off infections. And it's not just that. This thing is a real jack of all trades. It helps keep your skin healthy, which is your first line of defense against bacteria. It also works on a super deep level, like a master switch that turns hundreds of your genes on and off to tell your cells what to do. And on top of all that, it's absolutely essential for growth and development, especially for a baby in the womb. So all of this brings us to a really important point. When it comes to vitamin A, you gotta be like Goldilocks. You need the amount to be just right. Not too little and definitely not too much. Because getting too little, well, it's a massive global health issue. Just look at this number. Between 250,000 and 500,000 children, that's how many become blind every single year, just because they don't have enough vitamin A. It's actually the #1 cause of preventable blindness in kids worldwide. It's just staggering. Okay, so what about the other side of the coin? Can you have too much? Well, the cool thing is you can't really overdose on the plant-based DIY kit version. Your body is super smart. It only converts as much as it actually needs. So, no, you can't eat too many carrots. The real risk comes from getting way too much from supplements or from those ready-made animal sources. And here's a wild example. Polar bear liver has so much vitamin A that it's actually poisonous to humans. So how do you get that just right Goldilocks amount? Well, here's your cheat sheet. If you're looking for the ready-made kind, you'll find it in things like liver, eggs, and cheese. And for the DIY kit, just look for those bright orange and dark green veggies. Sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, they're all amazing sources. Basically, if you eat a nice, balanced diet, you're pretty much set. So there you have it, the hero's journey of vitamin A. We've seen what it is, what it does, and where to get it. We're going to leave you with this final thought, a really important question. We know what causes this deficiency, and we know how to fix it with simple foods. So the question is, why does this problem still affect an estimated 190 million children all over the world? It's a huge challenge, turning what we know into action that saves lives.